You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out.
This case isn't just another DWI charge, it's a potential disaster narrowly avoided. Mr. Kubler stands accused of driving drunk for the second time, facing up to a year in jail and thousands in fines. But that's not all. He's also linked to an alleged abandonment charge. Tonight, we'll witness chaotic police reports, questionable evidence, and a judge who doesn't hold back on calling out sloppy work. Buckle up. This courtroom drama is about to get messy.
All right, sir. You are Mr. Kubler.
Kubler, yes, sir.
Kubler. Mr. Kubler, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah, we had a long discussion with him this morning.
I don't know anything about it. Let's find out what's going on, please.
Judge. On April 11, 2025, an officer was dispatched to an unknown accident, and noticed a vehicle, a pickup truck, illegally parked in the front yard of the residence. There were fresh tires, skid marks, a broken wheel and axle visibly appeared to be damaged from the Ram truck to a legally parked red Jeep Compass. The law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant. And then, it said that the damage to the Jeep was brought on $5,000. The defendant admitted to driving the truck. Was later identified. The officer also made contact.
This is where the case takes a sharp turn. The eyewitness claims Kubler was stumbling, slurring his speech, and reeking of alcohol, all classic signs of intoxication. But here's the problem. Eyewitness testimony, while powerful, is not bulletproof. Would you trust a conviction solely on a neighbor's observation, especially when no sobriety tests are officially logged? This gap in procedure is a huge red flag. Could sloppy police work end up saving this defendant from conviction?
With the wheel witness, who said that he witnessed the defendant in the white truck in the driver's seat behind the wheel and observed him exit the vehicle from the driver's side door. Upon exiting the vehicle, the witness observed he was not stumbling. And then the will witness observed slurred speech and strong odor of alcohol beverage emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant also admitted that he was trying to clear the scene and go home, but his vehicle was stolen. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was detained, and noticed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. And the officer then conducted a standardized field sobriety test, where he witnessed. Sorry, Your Honor, the DIMS leaves off and does not show the standardized field sobriety test results. The officer asked the defendant his intoxication level. The defendant said he was at a 6 out of 10. The defendant said he does not believe it was safe to operate his motor vehicle at this level of intoxication. But had an 11-year-old passenger.
He did not.
I'm sorry, he did not. He did not. I apologize. We can just have just a moment to see if I can.
Judge, I'm going to tell you that's kind of where the DWI investigation stops. The first response that I have is that no field sobriety tests were performed. It also, the credibility of the wheel witness was never discussed in the DIMS, whether the officer found them credible or reliable, etc. So I really can't make a lot of sense out of.
It's like the DIMS you're reading these like.
Wow, did you hear that? The judge just compared the police report to a drive-through order. That's not just sarcasm, that's a serious indictment of law enforcement's professionalism. Without documented sobriety tests or credibility checks for the witness, the entire foundation of this case is shaky at best. It raises a bigger question. If reports are this poorly written, how many other cases slip through the cracks? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this was laziness or systemic negligence?
Going through a drive-through, man. I mean, really, who's writing the reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Over and over and over. I mean, really.
Trying to see if I can find anything else.
Case after case, we're just.
So Judge, things don't say it, don't say what is the results of those very revealed sobriety tests, and we do not have an officer.
How on earth am I supposed to find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports?
I don't say, I don't know why it's not in the DIMS. Obviously, we didn't write it in here. We represent what is written in there, and so I understand your frustration. I'm highly frustrated.
And there you have it.
Mr. Kubler, I'm gonna
Despite damning
find
eyewitness
no
testimony
probable
and
cause in your
Kubler's
case.
own admission of being a 6
Don't
out of
kill
10
anyone.
drunk, the
You
judge
know,
rules no
every
probable
single day on the
cause
news,
simply
how
because
many
the
people die in
report
our
lacked
county
the
because of
necessary
a DWI?
detail.
How
It's a
many?
sharp reminder that in the
Every
courtroom, procedure can be just as
day.
important as
We
evidence.
lead
What
the
do you
nation
think? Was
in
justice served here, or did
alcohol-related
Kubler get a
collisions
lucky
and
break?
fatalities because
If
of
you found this
boneheaded
case
moves that
as
are made
shocking as we
day
did,
in,
make sure to hit
day
that like
out.
button, share your
Now,
thoughts in the
this is
comments,
not to
and
say
don't
that they may
forget to
not indict this
subscribe
case at
for
a
more
later time,
jaw-dropping
but
courtroom breakdowns.
Mr. Kubler, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case. Don't kill anyone. You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out. Now, this is not to say that they may not indict this case at a later time, but be whatever, just don't kill someone, please. Take a seat, please, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.